I love the Dales. I love all my life. I'm 45 now, and all my life I've been climbing, caving, walking, running in the Dales, and it brings so much to me. And what I wanted to do was try and show, it's sort of like a love letter to the Dales, that what this landscape has given me, can I show people quite what it means to me, and in doing so, create an awareness from them of the fragility and the beauty of the land that we've got. We've created an immersive experience projected inside a dome and has video, artwork and music that creates an immersive sort of experience of being in the Yorkshire Dales.
So as part of the project, we've developed this really beautiful portable dome. It's a 5-metre dome, and it's been constructed to kind of pull apart and be reconstructed in different sites. So it's a reusable dome. And within that space, I've then made a series of short films, 2 short films, in response to the music that Ben has written. So the films are using video footage that Ben's shot in the Dales, in the Yorkshire Dales. And then I guess my role in it has been to say, well, that's the source material. And then maybe to envisage more about what the feeling of that space is, rather than just to look. It's also then to use the kind of immersion of the dome to create an experience that gives us a sense of place.
All these good projects like this, you need a good team. So I pulled together a team, 2 academics from Northumbria University, Steve Roberts and Sean Young, and they kind of led the design on some concept ideas for the dome. I contacted Buro Happold, an old colleague, Anton Savinsky, to see if he could help us out and come up with some kind of revised design to simplify. And we did. Collectively, between the Northumbria team and Buro Happold, we came up with a new modular system made out of plywood. The subject matter was all about Yorkshire, and so we wanted to pull a team together from Yorkshire. So Anton used the Buro Happold office in Leeds. I'm based in North Yorkshire. We work out of Northumbria University. And then we brought in Hadley's, who were the contractors. We brought in a team, Field Design, who are graphic designers based in Sheffield, so also in Yorkshire. And most projects like this are only successful through collaboration.
So yeah, it's been a lovely collaboration, and I think this is a lovely example of design development that us as engineers are renowned for at Buro Happold, that we can engage earlier on and help the design to develop and to conclude in a sort of a collaborative way, and considering it in a holistic way of all the components. How do we build it? How do you get it to site? For example, all these components can fit into one truck, and they can be stacked, and this was erected in a couple of hours. So I think that's the future of just making things work. Off-site construction, controlling the quality, bringing it on for an installation, not a construction site on location.
I hope people find the installation itself to be a moving experience, or perhaps a restful experience, a moment of well-being and respite from their day in there. But then I would hope that it would inspire people to get out into the Dales themselves and have a look at what's out there. It's on your doorstep. If you can get to Skipton, you can get into the Dales. So I'm hoping people might be encouraged to visit the places they see in the exhibition.